cool, so cool. Ooh, so cool, so cool, so cool. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Option stock trading. Option trading stocks before you hit me up. Save you some time and save me some time. Thank you. Stop playing, man. Get them stocks, man. Y'all better tune in. Cause I ain't playing. I'm getting rich. Alright, okay. My bad, man. I forgot to post what I said. Long story short, AMC told me up. Smacked me hard. I don't even say it smacked me because I kind of pulled my contracts even though I ended up hitting my strike price.
That's my ex. Where DILO at? Why you take 3 hours to pick up my ex, bro? This nigga ugly.
Hey. Welcome to the So Cool TV. Our channel brings you podcast and 24/7 breaking news videos by DizzyDiddy. Like and subscribe to the channel now. To be selected for the iPhone 12 Pro giveaway, turn all notifications on now. Follow and DM your number to DizzyDiddy on Instagram.
Yeah, my bad, y'all. I'm gonna drop it this weekend for sure. I was gonna drop it today, but I'm only about to get these teeth back straight.
DizzyDiddy.com